Hi everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, co-founder of Being ECCA. In this video, I'll be discussing that when should you start preparing for your next attempt. Now that your December attempt is finally over, you would now be thinking that how to start and when to actually start for preparing for your next attempt. So let me guide you through that. So I would say that, of course, we all need break. So please take your break, please rest and relax, because of course, these 2 to 3 months would have been really hard on you in terms of the preparation and the hard work that you have put in. So it's fine, just take rest, relax. For this entire week, I would say taking a week off is really important. Even I used to take at least a week or two break after my one attempt got over. So at least 1 week is necessary for you to get back to your studies. Do that. Then I would say there are a lot of people who start in towards the end of when their paper is actually going to come, right? So for example, if it is March, then they start in like January mid, January end, or something on those lines. It's fine. Of course, there are people who are able to complete their syllabus in like 1 month and do the practice, etc., and also pass. But that is there. But I would say that if you start your preparation well advanced in time, it will not only affect you in terms of the quality. Of course, the quality will be better because you have given much more time than the person who has given only 1 month. You will be able to understand the concepts better. You will be able to do the practice more. You won't be panicky towards the end, because you know that yes, I have studied from December attempt or December only for the March attempt, so I have put in that hard work towards my paper, right? So that is one thing that will actually boost your morale also, that yes, you know the concepts really well. If you start early, for example, if something comes up in the next month, for example in January you need to go somewhere, or you have your exams, or if you are working and it's a busy season for you and you're able to start your paper preparation earlier, it will be better for you because you already have completed half of the syllabus already, right? Now you need to only put like few hours every day in order to complete the syllabus and then do the practice. So even if in middle of your preparation you face certain difficulties in terms of managing your time, you will be in a good position because you've already started with the syllabus than the person who has not yet started with the syllabus. That's the one thing. Second thing I would say is, right now, if you sit for the preparation, if you start your preparation, you do not have to sit for long hours, 8-9 hours for the paper, right? To prepare for the paper, you can easily give 1 or 2 hours every day, be consistent with it, and you will be good to go with completing the syllabus by the end of January, and also do the preparation of practice, right? So that is another thing. Right now you won't have to have a lot of burden on yourself if you start earlier. So I would say personally that start after 1 week of your exam, and it will really help you, and you'll be thanking me later once you are done with your syllabus and the practice. That's that. And if you want some guidance regarding how to start, when to start, from where to start, I at Being SSA also make planners for the skill level students, knowledge level students, and the profession level students also, apart from APM and ATX paper, because those two papers I do not have any experience in. So these planners will help you understand, also will be helping you navigate through how to start, from where to start. So I have two planners for you. One is starting from 16th of December and one is starting from 23rd of December. You will be getting both the planners at the price of one. So I have already made a video regarding the planners. You can check that out, then make your own decision if you want to take them or no. But my personal advice would be that start your preparation as soon as you can. It will not only help you, it will keep you motivated throughout these months for the March attempt. So all the very best.